It's Friday, July 6th, and your stories today are the SEC charges a Nevada attorney, EOS RAM price explodes, and 0xUniverse. Hello world, you're watching The Comment on ETHNews. For your first story today, the SEC charged 2 Nevada residents with selling and profiting from the illegal sale of stocks from a fraudulent blockchain-based business. According to the SEC press release on July 2nd, attorney TJ Jeske and business affairs manager Mark DeStefano made about $1.4 million in 10 days through illegally selling stocks in a Hong Kong-based company called UBI Blockchain Internet Limited. The SEC alleges that Jeske and DeStefano received 72,000 restricted shares of UBI blockchain stock in October of 2017 and were only allowed to sell them at a fixed rate of $3.70 per share. But the two became very greedy when the price of UBI stock peaked. They are accused of illegally selling the shares at prices ranging from $21.12 to $48.40 between the dates of December 26th to around January 5th, which forced the SEC to place a temporary halt on the trading of UBI blockchain stock in January over concerns about the accuracy of assertions in its SEC filings and the unusual and unexplained market activity. Robert A. Cohen, chief of the SEC Enforcement Division Cyber Unit, warned, quote, "This case is a prime example why the SEC has warned retail investors to be cautious before buying stock in companies that suddenly claim to have a blockchain business," unquote. Jeske and DeStefano have agreed to a settlement which requires them to pay back the $1.4 million as well as $188,682 in penalties. The settlement has yet to be approved by the court. And in other news, the price of EOS RAM has increased 700% earlier this week. On July 1st, RAM in the EOS network cost about 0.11 EOS kilobyte, a price around which the resource had long hovered. Then, in the course of 2 days, the price shot up about 900%. After peaking at 0.9 EOS kilobyte on July 3rd, the price briefly dropped to 0.55 EOS, then rebounded again, reaching a price at above 0.7 EOS. The RAM available on the network is intended to be used for dApp development. Users must purchase a minimum of 4 kilobytes to open an account, essentially staking out a portion of the network's processing power for their own projects. The price jump was striking since EOS has still no applications running on it. A couple of days ago, the market reached the price of 0.73 EOS, or $6.64 per kilobyte. For the sake of comparison, this is the equivalent of an 8 gigabyte stick of RAM being sold for about $53 million. The hoarding that is occurring could lead to the same congestion the RAM market solution was intended to avoid. And for your final story, move over, CryptoKitties. There's a new blockchain-based game in town. On June 29th, game development studio 0xGames announced the release of its first project, 0xUniverse, or 0xUniverse. Tomato, tomato. Regardless of how you choose to pronounce it, the fact remains, it's a cool blockchain-based game. The space exploration game runs on Ethereum and allows players to colonize planets, build spacecrafts, and communicate with aliens with a 3D rendered universe. Which, no offense CryptoKitties, is a little cooler than collecting digital drawings of cats. 0xUniverse is like CryptoKitties in that players collect planets to expand their territorial presence across the galaxy. So, since Crypto Puppies copied CryptoKitties, shouldn't this game be called Crypto Planets? Just saying. Anyway, that's our comment for the day, but it's time to hear yours. Are you tired of seeing companies switch over to blockchain when they know it's going to benefit them and they can cash out, and it doesn't have anything to do with their business? Are these RAM prices just ridiculous, and what collectible game will be built on Ethereum network next? Let me know what you think. Tweet at me. Have a wonderful day, and as always, don't forget to leave a comment. Join me back here on The Comment as I catch you up on the latest in Ethereum and blockchain. If you like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you didn't like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you get all the newest episodes of The Comment as they air by clicking that alert button. That's that bell-looking thing next to the word subscribe. If you missed our latest episodes, you can catch up on ETHNews.com or on YouTube, or just subscribe so you don't miss them anymore, silly. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at ETHNewsy. That's at ETHNewsSy. And we'll see you next time.